In this video, you'll see the Jade Jaguar Basic Expert Advisor in action within the MetaTrader Strategy Tester. This robot is specifically optimized for GBP USD and Euro USD pairs, but with parameter adjustments, it can be effective on other currency pairs as well. Designed to identify market trend reversals using powerful technical indicators, such as moving averages and RSI, Jade Jaguar Basic offers precision and reliability. With the free version, you get a glimpse into its performance, operating exclusively on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays with a fixed lot size of 0.01. As the tester runs, you'll observe how the robot precisely enters trades at overbought or oversold levels and manages positions using an averaging strategy. Jade Jaguar Basic provides a safe environment to test the robot's capabilities. If you're looking to trade every day and utilize dynamic lot sizing to optimize your strategy, upgrading to the full version is worth considering. For now, sit back and watch how Jade Jaguar Basic performs in action.